From season 2, when we talked about failing fast, you had mentioned that failing fast means that you're learning fast. And I just found that so key. Like I wrote it down on my whiteboard, and because it's okay to fail, and that failure makes success clearer because we can use it to adjust our plan and to iterate and get to that goal faster. So failing actually means that you are getting to success faster if you think about it. And remember that it takes small experiments so that the stakes are smaller, so that the risk is smaller. So if you're worried about something, see what you can do to make it a smaller experiment, smaller cycles, smaller iteration, so that the failure doesn't feel so scary.
Did you find the discussion interesting?
You can listen to the entire episode on your favorite podcast platforms, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and more.
Just click the link in the caption and you'll be able to stream it for free.
Make sure to check it out. Till next time.